This one is supposed to look like concrete. There's a light side and a slightly darker side here, and I don't think it looks a lot like concrete. Hey guys, so I had some different plans for today. I was actually planning on going out to shoot, to try some different lenses, but there's this pretty massive rainstorm blowing through Malmö, Sweden today. So we're gonna stay inside, and instead I'm gonna talk about how you can find some great looking backgrounds for your product photography, or if you're into doing flat lays and that kind of fun stuff. So when it comes to product photography, it's always nice to have a nice set of different backgrounds to choose from to kind of match up with your products and to create different moods and all that. One of the most common types of backgrounds that I see is these kind of, sorry about the noise, I will try to keep this still. These kind of fake printed backgrounds that you can buy on Amazon or eBay for 10 to 15 bucks. And if you ever used one of these, you know they're a pain to work with. They're a pain to store and they're a pain to work with, and most of them, they don't look very good in the first place. So I don't recommend these to anyone that want to get into product photography. So yesterday I went to my local IKEA store here in Malmö, Sweden, and I'm going to show you this thing in just a second, but this got me thinking, how many of you guys have been to an IKEA store out there? Let me know in the comment section if you've been to one and in what country. That'd be kind of interesting for me as a Swede and a proud IKEA fan here. But anyway, so at my local IKEA store yesterday, I picked up this thing here. And this is called a cover panel or a cover side. And these are designed or meant to be mounted on the side of kitchen cabinets if you don't want to have the original color of the cabinet showing. And this one here is 62 by 80 centimeters, so that's 24 by 30-ish inches, which is kind of perfect for most product shots and flat lays. But the good thing about these is that you can find them for 5 to 10 bucks. So if you go to your local IKEA store, they usually have a bargain section or a bargain bin where they sometimes sell returned items, or when they change the fronts of one of their demo kitchens, all the old ones come down and ends up in these bargain bins. I mean, the great thing about these, they are made for kitchen, so they can take a light beating and they can be cleaned over and over again. Maybe you're doing food photography or cooking videos where you want to drizzle olive oil over a plate or something and you need to clean the surfaces over and over again. These can totally handle all of that abuse. It's an investment that's gonna last you for a very, very long time. So yeah, that's today's video. I hope this was helpful, and don't forget to let me know about your IKEA experience and all that. Well, thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye and hej då in Swedish.